Here I've got Google Pixel 4 and let me show you how to check daily screen time on the following device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Here you have to go to apps and notifications and now click on screen time. And now we can switch between three dashboards, so you've got screen time, notification received and also times opened. So let's start with screen time at first, and here you've got the detailed information, the detailed statistics regarding the time that you spent on some particular application. So for example, today it's Wednesday, we used settings for 15 minutes. Let's go to yesterday. On Tuesday, 21 minutes. Then if you would like to check notifications received, it is here. So for example, from Play Store, yesterday we received 6 notifications, and on Wednesday, today, just 2 of them. And finally, you can also check times opened. So today we opened settings 14 times, and for example, yesterday 26 times. And here, as you can see, you've got the whole statistics. So that would be all. This is how you can control your usage of phone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.